Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how I make my dairy-free ranch dressing. It's very delicious and it's full of ingredients that you recognize and can pronounce. So I'm starting off with half a cup of grapeseed oil, cold pressed grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil because it's full of vitamin E, it's rich in omega-6 fatty acids, so it's a great healthy fat to add to this dressing. It's just a great way to get in some of your healthy fats, which kind of help keep weight on you, and it helps with your hair and your skin and your nails. Very nutritious oil. Okay, next I'm adding some hemp seeds, and this gem here, this seed is just, it boasts so many health benefits. It's a great healthy fat, omega-3 healthy fat, great for your hair, skin, and nails. Vitamin E, heart healthy. It's just awesome. Protein, I love hemp seeds. Next, we have some scallions. I'm adding that on into my cup here to be processed. Scallions are great for antifungal, and it just adds a great flavor to the dressing. So as you can see, my counter is clean, y'all, I promise. But I don't like to leave any drop behind. Next, I have some garlic. Everybody knows the benefits of garlic. Great for your cardiovascular system, adds an excellent flavor to the dressing. Yum. It really boosts the taste of the dressing. And no ranch dressing is complete without dill. Dill is very good. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, C, calcium, magnesium, folate, manganese for heart health. It's just a great herb. And then we have some lime juice. Actually, this is lemon juice, but I prefer lime juice. I just ran out of lime juice for this recipe, so I'm using lemon juice. Everybody knows the enriching vitamin C properties of lemon and lime. Now it's time to add the seasonings. So I have a teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that into my cup. Half a teaspoon of sea salt, or pink Himalayan sea salt. You can't see it, but this is 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Just give it a little kick. I apologize about my arm being in the way of the camera, but I added a tablespoon of water because I didn't want it to be too thick. I knew I wanted to use this as a dip. Now it's time to blend it, if I can get the top on correctly. There we go. Okay, so now it's time for me to blend it. Okay, so I'm just setting this in my Ninja, and I'm just gonna go ahead and push pulse to pulse it, and there it goes. So it's just gonna blend, pulverize everything together. Okay, here it is, you guys. Dairy-free ranch dressing is delicious. You guys give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.